the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas. This time I'm doing something a little different. I'm doing a sit down with you. I'm a little under the weather, but I'm gonna try to chug through because I really wanted to share with you something really special I got in the mail, and I thought it would be most appropriate to share with you as soon as possible so that you can possibly give this as a gift for one of your loved ones, especially if they're into fragrances. This particular gift is definitely something you might want to consider even for yourself, to be quite honest, because what holiday is a holiday if you don't get yourself something, right? So, as you can tell by the title, this is Rituals Advent Calendar for 2019. Now, this is humongous. There we go. So Rituals was kind enough to send this to me, and I wanted to open it up with you. Now, here's the thing. I know that it's already past December 1st, but to be quite honest, if you know someone who loves to open everything all at once and you like everything that's in this box, it doesn't hurt to still get the advent calendar just in time for the holidays. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing is that it comes in this beautiful sleeve. Now, it had a gold bow, but I'll be honest with you, I took off the gold bow and I didn't know how to put it back. So nonetheless, it comes with a really beautiful gold bow, and then you just slide this off. How pretty is that? Number one is right here, and it's in a square box. So there we go. And in number one, yes. Oh my goodness, this smell, wow, this smells really beautiful. I'll list it down below for sure. But it has a masculine scent, so that's something of note. And it comes from their private collection, which is beautiful. So we have a calendar in number one. Number two is all the way down here. So number two is a body mist from the Amsterdam collection. And it says it is a tulip and Japanese Yuru mist. And so we're gonna spritz that because I need to try it. Ooh, that is a calming mist. It's very calming. Really nice for the car. I would definitely keep this in the car. I love the fact that I sprayed it on my scarf. So on to number three. So we're gonna go right up here to this big box, this rectangle. Ooh, Oh Holy Night Balm. I love the song Oh Holy Night. It's one of my favorite songs to sing. Protect and soothe your hands while you dream of Christmas miracles. And that is the Ritual of Tao, a night balm for the hands. There it is. Oh, that's practically a full size. That's really nice. If you haven't tried the entire Ritual of Tao collection, you definitely should give it a try. The Ritual of Tao, the whole focus is bringing peace and tranquility. And so all of their scents are very soothing and calming. So that's nice hand cream to have. All right. Oh, here we go. Number four, a balanced Christmas. This is a moisturizing foaming wash. And this is foaming shower gel. Ayurveda is to say that it is the ancient art of living wisely. And so that is what that looks like. So if you're into giving a collection of color, let's say it's not from the advent calendar, but it is from the ritual store, you can go and give this entire collection, or you can give the green collection, which is the Ritual of Tao. So I like that because you end up finding the color and the scent that they like, and then you can go into the different rituals that represent that scent. To number five, and that's what it is, the Ritual of Karma. Oh, this is great. So this is a soap bar. These videos, I like to actually look at the product. So let's take the soap bar out. So is it a square like the box? Yes. And it just says rituals on it. There you go. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Where's number six? Well, that's the fun. Trying to find the number. All right. A good lump of coal, a charcoal wonder mask for those who have been nice this year. Purifying face mask, charcoal and black mud. Just activate it with water, put it in a bowl, put it in your hand, mix it up, and you've got a face mask. This would be another great sort of thing to have on the side of, let's say, throughout the holidays for guests. If like every night they just would open one up before they went to bed, or 2 or 3 a night, or you gave them little clues, like a fun way to create an opportunity to open up the calendar if you already clearly are past December 1st. Number 7 is down here, and this one's a big one. Here we go. Be sweet to your skin. This is a shower scrub, and this is from the Ritual of Sakura. Now, Sakura is one of my favorite, if not my favorite, of all of the rituals. Ritual Sakura always says celebrate each day as a new beginning, and I kind of happen to feel that way and tend to live that way. And if you know a little bit about my brand, maybe I'll do a video. If you think I should do a video about why I have this YouTube space or why I have this Seasons Gold, let me know in the comments below. I would love to share that story, but I only want to do that if you're interested. The Ritual of Sakura. So this is a softening rice scrub, and that's also a nice substantial size for someone who is looking to travel with a product that actually lasts 7 days. Sometimes I feel that travel products aren't big enough. They make them small enough to travel with, but then they're not big enough to actually last you the entire time of your trip. Do you feel that way? I feel that way all the time. Anyway, number 8. This is a candle. Now this is a black candle. This is gorgeous. This smells like it belongs in the kitchen. Yes. Not because it says saffron, but probably because it says saffron. We are into number 9. Oh, a hydrating ampule. That's interesting. That's the thing about rituals. They also have beauty products. And that's one of the, other than their fragrance, that's one of the first things that I fell in love with. The second thing I fell in love with was they had the shimmering eyeshadow palette. Oh my goodness. I was in love with that. Speaking of eyeshadow, could you tell my sparkly eyeshadow today? I played with the Tati Beauty palette, and I am in love with every single shade in that palette. That woman did no wrong making that palette. She was amazing. And so I just want to shout out to Tati. Not that she needs one from little old me, but shout out to you for making a palette that literally speaks to the woman who just wants to play with shimmer and neutral colors and then some pizzazz on a holiday like today. All right, back to rituals. Showing you a box won't help you, so let's show you how big that little ampule is. Well, that's pretty substantial. There we go. So that is the hydrating ampule for your face. And then we move on to number 10. There it is. So let's put it in there, shall we? The warmth of Christmas. So this is, like I said, this is a black soap. This is refreshing eucalyptus and olive oil, and this is from the Ritual of Hammam. Hammam. And so I want to see what it looks like. It's basically a soap, and ooh, that smells pretty strong. That is pretty strong. That's pretty strong. Number 11, here we go. Now this is awesome. Pretty cool to get a scrub glove. Easy way to put on your gel, your soaps, put it in your hand, scrub it all over, exfoliate, take care of your skin out there. Number 12 is a Santa Loves Treat. So each one, if you haven't noticed, each one has a little message for you to read. And so experience this hotel quality treat, a wonderful bath and shower gel set. That would be great to put on the exfoliating glove. And so that's really nice. We go to Lucky 13, given that we are going to experience Friday the 13th this December. Let's see. Prevent your nails from snagging your stockings. Nail file. I was wondering what could fit in that small little box. Here we go. Perfect. Nail file. Moving on to 14. Merry massage. Stay balanced during the hectic holidays with the Ritual of Ayurveda Vata dry oil. Oh, look how nice and funky that bottle is. I like the shape. Looks a little bit like a teardrop. Very nice. So we move on to 15, another little square. I'm almost thinking it might be another candle. I can't quite tell you. Why, yes, it is another candle. So this is Savage Garden, and there it is. This is very pretty. This also belongs in the kitchen or in a foyer, like the entrance of a home. Pretty. On to 16. 16 is right here. There we go. It's tall. Let's see. Gorgeous on the go. Don't forget our miracle wipes when you travel home for Christmas. There you go. Perfect. Face wipes. It comes with 10, so that's a good amount. Then we move to 17. Where are you? 17 is little and way down here. Super, super little. I'm thinking it's another ampule. So yes, you get another ampule. And then we're going to go to 18, which is a nice big one right here. Let's open this one together. Aha. Dive into ancient samurai traditions. Winter warrior, tell me about it. So this is groomed to perfection, the ritual samurai. So actually the ritual samurai is meant for men. So that's nice, because if you do give this to women, they can give it to a guy or to a brother or someone they know, and so that's really nice. And we're moving on to 19. That's a nice big one right here. Adventurous Advent. Start your day empowered with the ritual of samurai. Cooling ice shower gel. So we've got an ice shower gel. Again, this comes from the Sport collection. We're moving on to number 20 up here. A velvety smooth cleanse to keep your face fresh and clean after all those Christmas parties. Exactly. So this is a face wash. Here we go. There we go. And so I want to tell you what it looks like. So it's a white cream. Oh, that is very smooth. And that smells really nice. It doesn't have too much of a fragrance, but a fragrance enough to know. Where is 21? You're hiding from me. Ah, because it's little. 21. I'm gonna guess it's another Ampule. I could be wrong. No. A 7-day Christmas glow. Reveal your inner glow and fight the first signs of aging with this face oil. So instead of an Ampule, this is a face oil. Let's open it up. This is the Ritual of Namaste Pure Radiance Face Oil. So it's called Glow. Oh, that's really pretty. There we go. That's a substantial amount of face oil. Moving on to 22. We're almost done. We're almost done, everybody. We're almost done. So we're down here. I want to say this is another candle, and I am right. This is the Precious Amber from the Private collection. Wow. This belongs in the bedroom. Just so you know. My recommendation. This is stunning. It is very deep. It is, I don't know if I would say it's woodsy, but it's just, it belongs in a room. So number 23. Joy for body and soul. So be jolly like Santa and Buddha with the ritual of Happy Buddha body cream. This is the orange scented body cream. This is actually the scent that introduced me to the body products of rituals. I got it at an event a very long time ago, and this smell is just such a happy, I mean, it's perfectly named. It's called Buddha Belly Body Cream, and it's just a smile and the world smiles back. It's sort of the essence of the ritual of Happy Buddha. We're at 24, so let's figure out what 24 is going to give us to end this wonderful journey with the Rituals Advent Calendar for this December. Let's see what we've got. It says, a merry meeting of Eastern spices and Western heritage with the new Amsterdam collection hand wash. So this is similar to one of the other scents we've got. It's the Tulip and Japanese Yuru scent from the Amsterdam collection. And this is just perfect to put in your bathroom. It is a hand wash. And so I just like the simplicity of the design and the gold little top there. So before we go, let's just recap, shall we? We have so many great things that are perfect for anybody that happens to just love skincare and is really obsessed with taking care of their skin. If I were to say what some of my favorites are from the entire Advent calendar, it happens to be this Precious Amber candle. Also, the other candle as well that comes from the Sacred Saffron collection. That is really nice. It's light and airy, and it's perfect for the kitchen. And if I had to say what I love about the oils, I'm really excited to give the face oil, the Nourishing Face Oil, a try. So if I love some of these products, I definitely intend to buy the full size, because I think that's what is great about Advent calendars and introduces you to new products you might have never thought of purchasing. So thank you so much for watching. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, especially if you liked seeing some of the products that came out of the Advent calendar in advance of having to open your own for sure, and what my personal favorites were. If you are interested, I'd love to know. Please let me know in the comments below if I should tell my story and tell you all why this season's gold is here. I wish you the best for the holiday season to come. Enjoy and spend it with all the people that you love and that love you. Until next time, bye everyone.